The office of the acting commissioner of Pigi County has reported victory in Macha. This happened yesterday, September 2nd, 2025, at around 12 in the afternoon. Clashes between the force of SPLMIO and some element from the SSPDF in Macha area broke out. The office of the commissioner confirmed that the SPLMIO won the fight. The commissioner said there were no casualties on the SPLMIO side. The statement said, "We are pleased to report that our SPLMIO force sustained no casualties during the confrontation. 3 soldiers from the SSPDF lost their life in the encounter. Today, the situation in Macha has remained calm with no further incident reported." The acting commissioner gave assurance that the area is now peaceful after the clashes. This is a developing news, and we will continue to monitor the situation closely. In another report, Makuach commissioner suspended. The governor of Upper Nile State, Lieutenant General James Kwang Shorale, has suspended the commissioner of Makuach County, Honorable Thok Naath. The suspension order started on Wednesday, September 3, 2025. The paper from the governor did not explain why the commissioner was stopped from his work. This action came only a few days after the Upper Nile State Commissioner meetings. The governor order said, "I, Lieutenant General James Kwang Shorale, Governor of Upper Nile State, give this order number 2025 to suspend Honorable Thok Naath, the Commissioner of Makuach County in Upper Nile State." Well, some report online suggests that the commissioner was suspended due to some reason. The report that they say that other people want to take the commissioner position. Observers warn this could bring possible conflict in Makuach. We will continue to follow this story, and if there's an update, I will come and try to explain it. Well, in another report here, we have this happened in Warab State. It is an incident. It happened in Wunarok town. They said army robber attacked teachers at St. Daniel Komboni Secondary School. The incident happened on Friday night in Pigi County. They say that the robber stole 9.5 million South Sudanese pound, which was the teacher's salaries. They also took 3 smartphones and 12 clothes. Someone by the name of Angelo Achwandeng, teacher, he described the attack. He said it happened around 10 p.m. at Wunakesh village where the teacher lived. 2 teachers had gone to a traditional night dance. When they returned, the robber followed them. The army men entered the residence and beat the teachers and stole their belongings. Mr. Ashwan explained that. He said that I was injured on the head. Teacher Samuel Lual was badly beaten with a gun, and another teacher escaped to a neighboring house and was saved. Teachers inside other room were injured on the legs. One teacher was slapped on the face, and the money, phone, and clothes were taken by the robbery. Well, the seller had just arrived that day and were supposed to be paid the next morning, but the robbers came before the payment could happen, before they gave the money to the teachers. The robbers also threatened a teacher with gun, making sure no one could see their faces because they mask their face. They do not want to be noticed. Police in Wunarok Payam have started investigating the robbery. Police officer Lieutenant Colonel Atem said 5 people have been arrested. He explained it. We arrested 4 men and 1 girl. They met the suspect on the road before the incident. They say that they are still looking for the real criminals. We want to know if the arrested people are guilty or not, and if other people were also involved. The case is still under investigation, and the police say they will continue to search until the truth is found. Well, that is all for today, but I have another news that I would like also to share with you. Well, according to local authorities in Ayut County, Jonglei State, the White Army youth and SPLA fighters are gathering in Magog village and part of Pigi County. They are reportedly under the leadership of a well-known Nuer spiritual leader by the name of Makuach, according to the information. This news comes only day after officials and residents in Pigi County warned that SPLA and White Army were regrouping and could soon attack. The White Army and SPLA have been in clash with the SSPDF and its allied militia since the start of this year. The fighting began in February in Nasser town, Upper Nile State. It quickly spread to others area after Dr. Macha and some of his senior leaders were placed under house arrest by the president of South Sudan, Salva Kiir. Well, speaking, Ayut County Commissioner James Scholl GX said that Makuach has been mobilizing youth for more than a month, and James Scholl said that Makuach has been mobilizing youth, and he said Makuach first promised not to fight, but he later moved from one area to another, bringing young men together to prepare for war. The commissioner explained that I had to cancel my trip to Juba and return to Ayut on 31st July 2025 because Makuach mobilizations was taking place. I want to stop him. The commissioner said that he was in the canal area, then Pagong, then place called Pajik, and now it's in Magog. His forces are growing. He added that Makuach recently met with Michael Nying Gadmai, an opposition commissioner appointed by the SPLA deputy chairman Oyena Athenil. It is unclear what they agree in the meeting, but youths have clearly been mobilized and they are ready to fight. The commissioner said he sent 12 delegations to talk to Makuach, but Makuach told them that he will only stop if Dr. Macha is released from detention. Commissioner Scholl said he believes Makuach is preparing for an attack, but for now he is still some distance away from PG. Meanwhile, Matthew Matoklem, a member of parliament from Pigi County, also warned that an attack may happen soon. He said Korwai in PG is one of the SPLA largest bases. 3 days ago, Makuach sent one of his commanders to Korwa to check the area. The MP said that after they study their combat readiness, they may decide whether or not to attack. Attempt to reach SSPDF commander John Maluet or Makuach for comment was unsuccessful. Well, the civil society activist Termanyang from the Center for Peace and Advocacy called on the government of South Sudan to choose peace in a state of war. Termanyang said that the government need to open dialogue with Makuach. Over the last 2 days, I tried to speak with Gawar, Nuer leader in Juba and Ayut, but some SPLA members fear being arrested, so they refuse to talk. The government should allow open space for civic dialogue. War with Makuach will only make the country worse. Well, to summarize the news for today, Wyoming youth and SPLA forces are gathering under spiritual leader Makuach as indicated by the authorities of the people who are following Kir Mayadit. Local authorities say the group may attack in Apanal. Commissioner Jimmy Scholl tried to stop them but failed. The group say they will only stop if Dr. Riek Machar is released. Civil society is calling for dialogue to prevent more bloodshed. This is the situation as of now. We will continue to follow this story and bring you updates. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more information. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.